Hi guys, my name is Santiago Oliver and we are going to talk about a story called The Princess Rose and the Golden Bird. So, hope you like it and let's start.
Many years ago, in a kingdom far, far away, there lived a beautiful princess. She had long red hair and loved Rose so much that everyone called her Princess Rose. Every evening after dark, Princess Rose went out of the balcony and clapped her hands.
A golden bird came flying up nowhere and lighted on her shoulder. Instantly the princess' hair began to shine ablaze with a brilliant red light.
When the bird started to warble an enchanting tune, the princess rose, joining a song, and everyone in the kingdom fell asleep and had sweet dreams till the break of dawn. Thus passed the years. Every night, Princess Rose, along with the little golden bird, sang a loving lullaby, so the old people fell asleep and had sweet dreams till the break of dawn.
Until one day, something terrible happened. A wicked witch learned about Princess Rose and decided to curse her. Abracadabra, simsalabim made the roses color dim, the witch said, and Princess Rose's hair instantly turned as black as tar.
That evening too, Princess Rose went out on her balcony and clapped her hands. But when the golden bird appeared, her hair glowed black instead of red. The bird warbled its enchanting melody, and Princess Rose sang her lullaby.
Everyone in the kingdom fell asleep, but that night they only had bad dreams and nightmares. On the following day, the sad princess asked the bird, "Tell me, golden bird, how can I make my people's dreams so sweet again till the break of dawn?"
Black hair in rose weather, the bird chirped in reply. The princess wondered at this counsel, but abided by it nevertheless.
She fired a basin with the water and spiked rose petals on the superfice. She dipped her hair into the rose water, and it instantly turned red again.
That evening, when the bird perched on her shoulder, the radiant red glow of her hair light up the night sky once more. The princess sang her lullaby, and everyone in the kingdom fell asleep and had sweet dreams till the break of dawn.
The wicked witch was so very angry that her curse had been broken that she decided to cast it again. Abracadabra, simsalabim, made the roses color dim, and the princess' hair turned as black as tar again.
Only this time the witch also picked up all of the rose blooms in the entire kingdom. "Let's see how you'll break my curse now!" she sneered, filled with rage.
And again the sadness princess asked the bird, "Tell me, golden bird, who can I make me people's dreams so sweet again till the break of dawn?" Black hair in rose water, the bird chirped in reply, "But where should I find a rose?" Black hair in rose water, the bird chirped and flew away.
The princess didn't know what to do, so with her anguish that her eyes filled with tears, one of them falling to the ground balloon. At that very moment, a young and handsome prince, who had stopped under the balcony of the princess, took out a little box and a single red hair from within.
He bent down and placed her atop the princess' chair, and then a miracle happened. Suddenly, the red hair turned into a red rose. The prince picked the rose and took it up to the princess. Upon seeing the rose, she immediately brushed off her tears and plucked its petals to add to the water in the basin.
Then she dipped in her hair, and the curse was broken. Everyone gasped at the astonishment, and the king asked the prince, "Young man, where did you find that red hair?"
When the princess and I were both children, I picked a single strand of hair from her head as a sign of my loyalty to her, and she did the same to me, pulling out a strand of my own hair.
Is that your father? The princess confirmed and took out a litter box. She opened it, revealing her hair from the princess' head inside.
Everyone was delighted with the news. The princess of the Princess Rose could marry on that Érase someday. People learned how her curse had been broken again. The wicked witches and wands swelled so much it exploded into thousands of stars.
Eventually, Rose blooms up in every garden in the kingdom once again. So it went. Each evening Princess Rose sung her loving lullaby so that all people fell asleep and had sweet dreams till the break of dawn.